Open your apps and click on YouTube. Click on the plus between Shorts and Subscriptions. Click on Upload a video. From your gallery, choose a video that you want to upload. Click on Edit into a short. Click on Next. It will start processing. When it's done, click on Next. Click AA is text, below is filters, voiceover, and ask a question. For text, choose color, type text, click Done. Click Filter, choose a filter, click the tick mark. Click Voiceover, red circle, record message, tick mark. Click Ask a question, type the question, click Done. Click the pencil icon on the picture. Below the picture, slide to right to choose a thumbnail. Stop at your chosen frame, then click Done. Add a video title. Click Audience and no, it's not made for kids. Click Private. Choose Public, Unlisted, Private, or Schedule. Choose a date and time to go public. Click back arrow. Click Upload Video.